Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade churros without piping bag, updated. Preheat oil and prepare a zip bag or cut bottle to pipe dough directly into the fryer. Mix water, butter, flour, and eggs until a smooth, pipeable paste forms, then transfer carefully to your tool. Fry in 350 degrees F oil until golden, roll in cinnamon sugar, and serve warm with chocolate or dulce de leche for dipping. Be patient with the dough for the best churros. Boiling the water and butter first guarantees the right consistency when the flour is added. Cooling the dough slightly before adding eggs prevents them from cooking and keeps the mixture smooth. Add eggs one at a time and mix thoroughly until glossy and elastic. This step makes extrusion easy whether you use a zip bag, cut bottle, or a reusable silicone cone. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and hands-free help to your kitchen, so you can time your frying and play a recipe playlist without stopping. It's small, loud, and perfect for a busy baking session, so check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Frying is where churros become irresistible, so keep the oil steady at 350 degrees F and work in small batches. Gently squeeze or push dough into the oil, cutting lengths with scissors or a knife, and turn for even browning. Drain on paper towels briefly, then coat while hot to lock in flavor and texture. Serve immediately with warm chocolate or dulce de leche for a classic pairing that guests will love.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.